Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I've got a great way to add utility and storage capacity to cross folds by adding a pocket to one or more of the panels. I've got 3 designs to show you, so let's take a closer look. I'm going to start simple with a T-Cross self-mailer that features product samples inside. This promotion is for a mobile app that automatically creates postcards with auto-generated QR codes and video content. To get real samples into customers' hands, they added a simple pocket that holds 3 living print postcards that can be scanned and interacted with. And the pocket is just a simple fold and tape solution that keeps the samples secure and organized. Now let's look at another T-Cross, but this one is more formal, like a mailable mini folder. The top panel is a flap to open it with, and then as you fold out to the left and right, there are custom-shaped pockets on each side with cards and information in them. This was for an event management program, so one side holds the event offerings and the other side features a program overview. So there's really no limit on how many pockets you add as long as you have the panels, and make sure to work in the box scores to accommodate for the added thickness of additional pockets and inserts. This piece was mailed in a clear envelope for protection. Lastly, here's a beautiful square crossfold for the Minnesota Soy Association. And this one has some really nice special print effects like soft touch and raised gloss UV coatings that have a pop and a sensory effect when you open it. Once you get to the final panel and fold it down, there's a V-shaped pocket with 5 cards in it. By adding the cards, they were able to keep from overcrowding all of the panels, which is another benefit of adding a pocket and inserts to a specialty fold. I think this is a great example of how creative specialty formats like crossfolds can be as practical as they are stylish, and you can use this pocket trick on lots of different formats to add storage and utility. As we saw in the examples, the solution can be as simple as a folded pocket and as elaborate as special die-cut shapes, which makes this idea great for either end of the budget spectrum. Just bear in mind that the addition of a pocket means the addition of tape or glue and insertion costs to the job. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.